Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Solana. Give me 2 seconds. I need to check something real quick. All right, yeah, that's fine. So we're covering Solana. We're doing a full update. I almost have to sneeze. We're doing a full update this Saturday. Saturday, as most of you know, is usually quite quiet, right? So the price doesn't move that much. For most cryptos, Solana last week actually was quite bullish. It was moving around a bit. So yeah, that's also a possibility for Solana right now. Solana in general, I mean, this in the night, or at least, well, earlier in the morning if you're from Asia. Well, no, it's probably in the night still. But in the late evening in the US, Solana did make a bit of a jump here. So you can see that basically since Wednesday, since the start of Wednesday, Solana has climbed up in momentum. Like, the momentum has grown quite a bit, right? So that is important. And apart from that, some analysts that I do respect and follow from time to time have also expressed their opinions that Solana is ready to be more bullish again. And if you watch my previous videos, if you watch these daily updates, then first of all, thank you for the support. But second of all, I've always said that I think the market structure for Solana right now is neutral. And that's also, I mean, that's confirmed, right? I mean, you can see right now that Solana, just to quickly zoom in to the market structure, you can see that it's consolidating. I would say even if it drops down to $48 and $50, that's still part of a consolidation range. And it's still fine. I don't expect it necessarily to drop down that low, but it's a possibility. You should be prepared for it. But Solana is consolidating here. But I've always said that at some point of time, I expect Solana to get a bullish breakout, right? So break above its main resistance at 60 and 62.4, and then rally up to the price targets right here at $67 and $70 and potentially $75. So that is still what I expect. I think something like this is definitely coming up. For now, though, I see no clear reason necessarily for that Solana would break out now. See, if the open interest and if the momentum keeps increasing, then there's that chance. But still, it still has so much resistance that I don't see that happening. Like right now, if you look at the volume, that's perhaps easier to track for all of you. But if you look at the volume that Solana has, and you compare that with the volume it had when it was very bullish. When it was very bullish, volume was above 3 billion, 4 billion. And right now the volume is at 1.5 billion, right? So it has grown quite a bit this morning, but it needs to be at least above $2 billion before we can say that something like this is possible. So for now, while that's not the case, I'll tell you that it's way more likely that Solana will just, maybe spike up to $62, but then find resistance and start dropping back down towards 54, 52, and potentially $50, where I expect support to be found, more bullish momentum, and then eventually, but I will keep you updated on that. I mean, I've been covering Solana daily for quite some time now, so I will update you on that, but then potentially later, that bullish breakout and rally, all right? And this is, by the way, I mean, right now, if you look at Solana, you'll see that it's not that correlated with Bitcoin. But overall, if you look at the correlation in the last 30 days, it is very correlated. And I do expect some bearish momentum from Bitcoin as well. All right, so that has to do with it as well, that I think a pullback right now is a bit more likely. So, but those are my thoughts, all right? So that's my analysis on Solana. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And down in the pinned comment and the description, you can also find some more info on my own Signal and Premium groups, both very valuable and affordable in my eyes. So if you do have any questions and if you want to check that out, links to that will be down in the description. For now, have a great weekend. I will see you all in my next videos, and bye.